Let's be real. A sharp jawline changes everything. Confidence? Check. Looks? Check. Respect? Big check. But most people don't get it. Your jawline isn't just genetics. It's about the choices you make every day. First, why it matters. Studies show men with sharp jaws are seen as stronger, healthier, more confident. Think Henry Cavill, Christian Bale, Michael B. Jordan. That sharp jawline isn't just looks, it's power. Good news? You don't need Hollywood genes. You need strategy, discipline, and small daily habits. Step 1. Lower body fat. Fat hides your jawline. No matter how strong your muscles are, if there's fat on your face, it's gone. Simple formula. Eat in a calorie deficit. Lift weights 3 to 5 times per week. Add cardio 2 to 3 times per week. Prioritize protein. Hit 15% body fat. Your jawline starts appearing. Hit 12%. Sharp, clean, noticeable. Remember, your jawline isn't built, it's revealed. Step 2. Facial and jawline exercises. Once your fat drops, it's time to sculpt. Mewing. Tongue on roof of your mouth. Posture plus jaw power. Chin tucks. Pull back. Hold 5 seconds, 10 reps. Chew gum, sugar-free. 10 to 20 minutes a day, masseter muscle pops. These exercises won't change your bone structure, but they make your jaw muscles pop. Step 3. Posture. This is huge but underrated. Slouch forward, jawline disappears into your neck. Stand tall. Shoulders back. Chin slightly tucked, instant sharpness. Try it now. Notice the difference? Night versus day. Step 4. Control water retention. Ever wake up with a puffy face after pizza or drinks? That's water retention. Fix it. Drink 3 liters of water daily. Cut salt and junk. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Limit alcohol. Within a week, your face looks leaner, fresher, sharper. Step 5. Grooming plus style hacks. Here's where it gets fun. Grow and shape a beard to outline your jaw. Shadow adds instant definition. Haircuts? Choose styles that expose the sides of your face, not cover them. Skincare matters. Healthy skin reflects light, making your jawline pop naturally. Sometimes the smallest tweak makes the biggest impact. Bonus tips for next level jawline. Avoid slouching while sitting. Even at your desk, posture matters. Keep your neck muscles strong. Simple neck stretches help. Reduce processed sugar. Sugar makes your face slightly puffy over time. Be consistent. Jawline changes don't happen overnight.